Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Porsche Taycan key step by step. Begin by removing the metal key blade and locating the seam on the fob. Pry gently with a small flathead to open the shell. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side up. Snap the shell back together and reinsert the metal key blade. Test the remote to confirm buttons work properly. Start by sliding out the emergency metal key and set it aside. Find the thin seam along the fob edge and insert the small flathead screwdriver. Twist gently to separate the two halves without forcing them. Work slowly around the fob to loosen clips until the shell lifts apart. Keep fingers clear of the circuit board and note how the battery sits. This careful approach prevents damage and keeps small parts secure. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading in waiting rooms or during long repair breaks, with a glare-free display and long battery life. It's a handy companion while you work on cars or wait for parts. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the shell open, observe the CR2032 orientation so you can match it when installing the new cell. Use a plastic pry tool or fingertip to lift out the old battery gently. Place the new CR2032 in the same orientation, pressing until it seats firmly and is flush with the contacts. Reassemble the fob by aligning clips and snapping the halves together. Reinsert the metal key and test the remote functions to verify success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.